Hi everybody, आप सभी को मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र. I hope you guys are doing great. So let us have a look at the chart of Nifty first of all. So if you look at Nifty over the last 2 days, it has been in a very tight range, and today it has managed to actually close near its day low, which is obviously not a good sign, right? But we understand one thing, that the market has been consolidating, and if you look at the overall trend of the last so many days, it is just trading inside this particular tight range. I expect a good movement in the index going forward, probably in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So right now, what we are going to do is we are going to go and have a look at some stocks which we can trade for the upcoming days. So let us get started, guys. Now, the first stock on my radar is Torrent Power. So guys, if you look at Torrent Power, it's very simple. It actually broke out from this particular resistance at this point of time, and then it was consolidating. It was actually on my radar, but the momentum was so strong today that I could not even enter. So the plan is very simple. We'll build a horizontal line across this resistance, right? It's given a breakout. We don't want to enter over here. We want a retest, right? So the area is 590, so we want to buy it around 590 to 591 with a stop loss of 1%, right? So let's restrict your stop loss to 1% for intraday. If you're taking it for swing trading, obviously then the stop loss will be somewhere around this point of time, around 578, right? This particular swing should be your stop loss for your short term or swing trade. Let's move on to another stock, which is Tech Mahindra. Now, Tech Mahindra is obviously very interesting at this point of time. If you go have a look at it on a daily time frame, let's have a look at Tech Mahindra on a daily time frame. See, the market is trading near its all-time high, right? When I say market, I meant to say the stock, right? The stock is trading near its all-time high. It's sustaining above it, which means the stock has good strength, right? The buyers are pretty much able to hold on to this, even though the markets are falling, and even though the IT stocks are falling, right? The stock is standing tall. Now, if you go to something like a 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame to identify what are the good levels for intraday, it is pretty much clear that the stock dropped, but the buyers were able to sustain above this level. So it's very simple. When it comes to Tech Mahindra, we want to go long in this stock at 165 with the stop loss at 163. So we'll go long above this particular level with this as the stop loss. Let's now go on to our another stock, which is Escorts. Right. So let's go to Escorts on a daily time frame again, as always. So if you look at Escorts, now it is completely opposite to Tech Mahindra, though it is trading near its all-time high. But if you zoom in, look at the price action happening over here. The stock is not at all showing me any strength. After this particular bullish candle, it is actually sustaining, at this particular point of time, but not giving me any strong momentum. It actually hit my stop loss somewhere at this point of time, and I was thinking that it is ready to give a breakout. Any which ways, let's go to short time frame, something like a 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, to understand the price action even better. Right. So if you see over the last 2 days, it is consolidating within this particular range, and it closed near its day low. So it's very simple. As soon as it opens flat, right, we can short it at the level of 1845 with the stop loss above 1853. So this is the plan for Escorts Limited. Let us go down to Torrent Pharma now. Again, very interesting stock, right? So let's go to Torrent Pharma. So guys, this is the chart of Torrent Pharma on a daily time frame. As you can see, it is showing me a very good structure, right? Bullish momentum all the way, right? And if you look what the stock is doing, it is consolidating within this particular range, and it may not give us a trade tomorrow or day after, but it can certainly give us a trade going ahead. So keep this stock in your radar. So we'll just go to shorter time frame to understand how the stock is behaving, right? So let us clean everything on the chart, and let's zoom out a bit. So let's go over here. So as you can see, the stock dropped sharply, right? But again recovered. And after the recovery, it is spending some time at this point of time. So since it is an hourly chart, I would like a proper closing above all these clusters, right? And my stop loss would be at this point of time. So if you ask me the exact entry pointers, the entry pointers will be around 3162 with the stop loss as 3084. So this is the plan for Torrent Pharma. Again, we are looking at some bullish momentum. Just one particular additional stock which I will give you is Apollo Hospitals, right? What is happening in Apollo Hospitals? You can yourself have a look at this particular stock. So this is Apollo Hospitals, which is trading near its support at this point of time, right? So we can see a good bullish momentum in this particular stock as well. after the high of this particular red candle is taken out. Now keep a track on pharma stocks, because pharma stocks are the only stocks probably which are keeping strong, right? Which are finding some sort of accumulation. So with that note, these were the stocks which I had to discuss with you. See you guys tomorrow for another day video, right? And I'll again try to be as much as consistent as possible. So with that note, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Make sure you like the video, hit the subscribe button, and let us know in the comment section as to what are the stocks which you are tracking. Thank you so much, guys.